Umentri rangba ke jelau konrad ke sangma bat umentri kampenroi sor uba sengau bahalang dahar mentah ke sengi kilalet banjurib yaki artili ki Jaka ka mau pedang mau ke siang mau diang bat mau pat ban pet la kalong ne em ban pen kerja ya ke Secretariat Shakatei ke Jaka haba kilalet banjurib kidon artili kilat hakmat jongki kawai kadai ka mau pedang bat kawai ka mau ke siang. Bat minta na kini arteli ki Jaka kin bishar kanu ka bakhambiang bakipat ba ka jella kin suk. Umentri rangba uloong bahakani ka Jaka ka bahamau diang ya ka Jaka lapharia syakitnat Sorkar bapher. Kumta ladon kam ban penbet biang da kani ka jingya penbet biang on yo sakumba arspa arpho ekar Jaka. Bat kani kanlong ka babiang ban Shna ka Secretariat bat kiwe ki office badon kam bat ki Jaka sa. Umentri rangba uloong bakindang yai tengi ke jingya kren bat kin sara ekani ka phang syaka kabinet bat kermen scam bakin sala ban shime karai hakani ke jinglet jongki syaka te ke Jaka ban jurib kalong ban sngau thu bha namar hakini kita yau ban wan kin sa shime karai haka jingya lang kabinet.
We have come here to visit in this Maudyangdyang area, this Maupat area and Maupasing area to see the possibility of shifting the entire Secretariat and government departments to this land. We have two options in front of us. One is in the Maupadang area and one is in this area where we are right now, and we are examining the possibility of seeing which is going to be a better option for us and a better option for the people of the state, most importantly. And after coming here, we have seen that this area has been divided and given to different departments, so some rearrangement will have to be done, and we are able to rearrange and approximately get about 220 acres of land, which should be sufficient for the Secretariat and other important offices, and also the different accommodations that need to be put up. And at the same time, the other offices and other administrating can also go to the Maupadang area, which we had initially planned. So we could do it on both areas. So this examination is going on, and along with the Urban Affairs Minister, our Chief Secretary and other officials, we have come to see the possibility, and it looks like a very good option, because not only is the land sufficient, but it is also very much closer to Shillong city, and hence it will be easier for the public also. We have also looked at the possibility of connecting Shillong city and this new location through new roads, which of course is a bit early to right now explain, because we are in the planning stage. But all these aspects are being reviewed, and we are positive, very positive, that the new Secretariat can come in this area, and we have, as I said, come here to examine that, and we find this to be a very, very appropriate location. But obviously there are a lot of areas and issues that we need to discuss. We need to obviously discuss it in the cabinet, and once all those formalities and discussions are over, a final decision should be taken in the next maybe couple of weeks. So we are very positive, and as I said, in order to take things forward, we thought that we should come and physically see the place and look at the entire map, and we are quite satisfied. So within the next couple of weeks, as I said, we should be able to take a final decision.